Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A73, and today I'll show you how you can put this device into download mode. So to get started, let's pull down our notifications and select our power menu, choose power off. Next thing you'll need to get is a cable plugged into your computer, and before you connect it to the device, you can start holding volume up and down and then connect it. Now it already booted into our step before the download mode. I'm gonna turn off the lights just so you can see this, because it's so dim that I don't think you can see anything on here. So lights off. There we go, that's as bright as I can make it. It's enough for you to actually see something on the screen. So one of the things that it's written right here, which I think it's still hard to see just because of the camera quality, but right here it's volume up to continue. So we're gonna press volume up. And we are now in download mode. So that is how we boot into this mode. Now to leave it, we have writing right here, so volume down plus side key, aka power button as it should be called, to, well, you need to hold it for more than 7 seconds to basically cancel, which reboots the device. So anyway, we're gonna hold power key and volume down. We could also unplug the device right now, but I'm already holding the button, so it's just gonna wait. There we go. So once the screen turns off, you can unplug it. I'm gonna turn on the lights. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.